What's up? It's Keith Kelfis with the Window Cleaning Blueprint. I'm swapping out the resin bags for the Unger hydropower system right now that I got from Detroit Sponge in Wixom, Michigan. And so we were on the last house. It was like this huge mansion, 12,000 square feet, and the last 20% of the house, the TDS went all the way up to like, it was like 120 something. So we're swapping the bags out, and I was just showing you how it comes in this container right here, these fresh bags. And then I learned, Luke the window cleaner gave me a call and taught me something. I was actually unaware that without an RO membrane, filtering water before it goes through resin doesn't do what I thought it did. So what I mean by that is it still filters the water and takes chlorine out if you put a carbon sediment filter. There's carbon sediment, carbon block filters. It takes the chlorine, which damages the resin, you know, it destroys it really fast. I don't know the chemical analysis of how that works, but either way, if you want to put super clean water through to save your resin, you have to get an RO filter and possibly a pump. So I'm not at that point yet, but I love this thing because what was different from my big tank, I had less water pressure. Here in Michigan, it's pretty good. I'm thinking it's 100 PSI, but let me know in the comments below if you have an RO system and what your experience is and how long your resin lasts. I'm hearing that, I mean, there's guys going like 6 months or something without even touching their resin bags. This is cool. Oh, this feels cool. So this is my first time doing this. It just slides down in there. It's like a feeling of satisfaction how it goes in there. We're swamped with window cleaning. We're booked out over a month right now. Everybody wants their windows cleaned at the same time. That's why I love the water fed pull system. Here it is. So then I'm going to put this on. So I like how it screws like this too. Alright. There you go. Click. Alright, TDS meter's right on top. And got the Gardiner Extreme 25 footer. The boar's hair brush is my favorite so far. This thing is awesome. It's so lightweight. Look at this. I love it. And I went and bought this little on-off valve. And I wasn't even aware that one already came with it. So, very cool, very cool. Alright, we're about to get to it. Hope you're doing great. To learn about this, I'll put a link in the description below to Detroit Sponge's website. I get most of my window cleaning tools from them. They sell everything. The place is awesome. Oh, I'll also put a link in the description below for when I went there and did like a whole 30-minute. If you've never seen the inside of a window cleaning tool store, that you got to see this video. It's awesome. So I tour with Mike and he shows all the different window cleaning tools. If you're newer in the business, it's fascinating. You never think that stuff would exist, right? So cool. Pow. All right. Later.